Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you some tips that I have learned in the past weeks. I've been working with some pigments and experimenting with them. I've been trying to get a very good replacement for the color Alizarin Crimson. Here it is my Alizarin Crimson that is from the Lucas brand. As you see, it's a very beautiful color. It has a very deep mass tone, and it's very useful for portraits and other things that people want to paint with. But the thing with Alizarin Crimson, as you know, that it's a very fugitive color. It fades with time by the effect of light. It is not light fast, so you can replace it with more light fast pigments as a combination of quinacridone, permanent rose, a little bit of quinacridone permanent rose, and a little bit of raw umber. But you know, as raw umber and the earth pigments varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, so you have to be sure that the raw umber that you are buying is with a very green shade, because there are tones that are more warmer. So if you find something that it's very similar to this one, it's okay. And we're going to mix this one. Oops. As you can see, this raw umber is neutralizing very well the quinacridone rose, and it's giving me a very similar mass tone. It is not quite the same, but it's the most approximate that I can get here with the pigments that I have available in my country. Yes. So I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of white so you can see the true shade of these pigments. This is the Alizarin Crimson, original Alizarin Crimson. And here is my substitute for Alizarin Crimson, that it is the mix of quinacridone rose, permanent rose, and raw umber. As you can see, it's a very similar shade, and the mass tone, it is the most the most close thing that you can get. And both of these pigments are very light fast, and yes, you can give it a try if you want. Thanks for watching.